Welcome to Porac, Pampanga House and Lot. We have here a 2-story house. So, tingnan natin ang kanilang dining. Ito is receiving area. Yung pinapakita ko ngayon is receiving area. And next, we have here the dining table or dining area and a small kitchen. Yan yung kanyang kitchen. So, anyway, may lanay po yan and then may parking lot. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya nakuhanan. And then, eto, a small room for your office or pwedeng privacy room kung pwede kayong mag-usap ng secretly with your family or friends, ganon. And then, we have also toilet and bath dito sa baba. And then now, let's go up. Wow, powered by ito ng interior designer. Dress up to ha guys, dress up. Kaya may mga gamit. Pero pag bibilhin nyo po actually the turnover sa inyo na walang gamit. Kayo na po yung magdi-design. Ganon yan. So we have here the first bedroom and the second bedroom. Yeah, and we have there the small receiving area sa taas. Sa second floor ito. And then toilet and bath also. Yan. So, actually, 3 bedrooms too. Okay, tignan natin sa isa. 3 bedrooms ito. So, yan. And then, we have there a small balcony. Yan, guys, ang isang bedroom. Okay, ang ganda niya, guys, kasi ano ba yan? May designer na gumawa yan or siya po yung nag-decide ng mga color and also pag nakikita nyo, ang ganda ng matching ng color. And then, yan po ang ating small balcony. And then, small receiving area din po. Yan, guys. So, nice. 3 bedrooms to ha, guys. So, yung square meter niya actually is 168 square meter. Tapos, yung price niya po is 10 million. So, yan po, guys, ang ating house in lot dito sa Porac, Pampanga.